Hey everyone, this is Sunil from Meshroad Marketing, and today we'll talk about one of the feature of our CRM. Most probably, if you're seeing this video, you're using this CRM or you're taking a trial. So here, let's start with the contact field. So you come here, click on contacts, and you'll see all of your contacts here. So now these contacts could be coming from your Google Ads, Facebook ad, or you may be manually adding them. So you'll see all of them here. By default, you see here there's no tag selected, but if you say want to see, click on one of the tag, you'll see leads from that tag. Uh, if you don't select anything, you'll see all the contacts here. So let's open one of the contact. So here you'll see the name, email, phone number, date of birth, source. Source is like from where this lead came, like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or networking, or uh, tags. You can put n number of tags, and as I've shown you just now, it's very easy to filter, and these will be used at a later stage as well when you are sending a mass email to these leads. Whether it's a lead or a customer, you'll see them here. Anytime you want to, kind of take anybody off the marketing campaign, you click on this, and they'll be opted out. Anytime you want to start a active campaign, just click here on active campaign, choose one of the campaign. When do you want to start this, and then click on add. That's it. So the campaign will start. In general info, you will have usually the business name, information, and the most important is time zone. If your customers or your leads are in different time zones, it's good to have kind of either you might pull this information from Google Ads or Facebook ads, or if these are like for sure they're in a different time zone, just define it here so that they don't get wrong. They don't get messages at a wrong time. Additional info is usually if you're running a survey and these leads came from a survey, so you'll see their answers here. Yeah. Now here in the middle, you'll see all the conversation from messages, text messages, emails, or Facebook Messenger. You'll see it here. Then you can assign this lead to anybody. If you have more number of people, you can assign the lead. Here on the right side, you'll see task, notes, and appointment. So this is a task due in a day. You can create. You click on add new, and you can create a new task. Then you have notes. Click here. You can create a new note. Appointments. It's on your calendar. You can create one more or reschedule the same by clicking on add new. So yeah, and here, if you want to send a message, click here. You can attach a file, attach a photo. In email, you can even have a subject line. If you use a different email, you can use a different email here. If you have templates, use a template. Attach a file from here. Yeah, and just click on send. That's it. So super easy. You never have to touch your email again if you use it for your leads and your customers. Yeah, I think that's pretty much. If you have any question regarding, oh yeah, one more thing I would like to talk about. If you want to, if say you meet somebody and you want to add that person, just one person, click on add contact, add single contact, and fill out this information, and the person will be in the CRM. If you have a long list of leads, say in an Excel file or CSV file, or you're using any of the CRM, so just export. It's export. Yeah, export to a CSV file or an Excel file, and then upload it here. So you click here and click on import, and bring that file here, and follow the instructions. Super easy. If you have any question, reach out to me. So yeah, hopefully that will help. There's a few more things which this is smart list is new. So what it does is it shows you all the different columns, and say if you want to kind of look at this list in a certain way, so you can add or delete columns by coming here. Say for example, I want to see the source. So source will be added. You see last activity 1 hour ago. So if you wanna, so yeah, you can choose whatever you want. And say for example, you selected these two people and you want to add a tag. Say for example, it's Hollywood, or maybe an actor. Um, so it will be added. So if you like long list, a good place to you know add or remove tags. So next one is for removing. So you click on the one you want to remove tags from, and that will be removed. You know, delete a contact, export contacts, import contacts. So that is possible here. Um, yeah, that's a smart list. Next is manual action. Manual action is like from the campaign. So say one of the campaign, when a lead comes in, you want and you put that lead into a campaign which has one manual action. Other than the automated action, it has a one manual action that you want to get the call. You want to call this person like in a day. So you define that once in the campaign, and everybody who goes through that campaign. So the one manual call will be created here. So, so if you deal with a lot of leads, you're into sales, maybe a realtor, mortgage person, and or any other sales scenario, you just come here and you'll see all the leads here, and you just click on Let's Start, and the auto dialer will start dialing them one by one. You may get a voicemail. Just leave the voicemail, and it will go to the next call and the next call. So that's it. So you click once, and you take care of all the calls, and you're done for the day. And the next day, based on your campaign, you'll see more calls. So yeah, very very useful feature. Um, yeah, that's about it. That's contacts. So let me know if you have any question. You can reach out to me at support@meshroad.com, which is meshroad.com, and or call me at 604-780-1149. Thank you.